Hello guys, welcome to Happy India channel. Today we're gonna compare these two products. One is Parley wafer cream and onion flavor and another is Lay's American style cream and onion flavor. These are the best two selling products in these categories, and we're gonna see what are the ingredients present in this and where it made and which company made it is and how it will be taste. Both are similar and these type of things will be seen in this video. Before going to the video, please like and subscribe to this channel, and let's open the packet Before opening the packet, let's see what are the ingredients present in Parley company product. This is Parley cream and onion flavor, guys, and these are present and these are manufactured by Parley Biscuit Private Limited, which is belongs to Indian company. And you can see it was manufactured in Mumbai, guys. You can see here it was manufactured in Mumbai, and it cost about 60 rupees, guys. It will be located, you can buy in local supermarkets this company. And what are the ingredients present in this one? We can see cream and onion flavor, and ingredients are potatoes, refined oil, seasoning mixed powder, sugar, iodized salt, onion powder, herbs, citric acid, malic acid, lactic acid, anti-cake agent. There are so many of acidic ingredients are there in this company in Parley cream and onion. And let's see what are the Lay's having the ingredients, guys. It was manufactured by PepsiCo India Holding Private Limited, and it was shipping also by them, only marketed by PepsiCo India Holding Private Limited. PepsiCo is not Indian company, guys. It belongs to USA. It's not Indian company. And the ingredients present in this Lay's cream and onion flavor is potato, edible vegetable oil, rice bran oil, sugar, iodized salt, milk products, cheese powder, spices and condiments, onion powder, parsley powder, pepper powder. It also contains added flavor, natural. Guys, these also contain highly ingredients, guys. These are also not the safe. Both are having much more ingredients, guys, which are not safe for our body. And let's open it and see how it will be inside and how it will be crispier and which tastes better. This one Parley belongs to Indian company, guys. This is Lay's belongs to USA, and it will be more. Lay's is more famous, guys, in all over the world. You all know about it. Parley also very good company, guys. Please encourage Indian companies. Let's open the products. Let's open and see what are the ingredients, how it will be taste inside, guys. I have prepared 2 bowls. Let's open it. Guys, let's open the products. First I'm going to open the Lay's product, guys. I have prepared 2 bowls. Let's open it, and I'm going to open the Lay's. Going into this. You can see here, guys, Lay's. One is like this. Let's guys, these are the Parley one and this is the Lay's one. I'll make sure. Guys, you can see here, this is the Lay's and this is the Parley one. I'll keep the packet also, and this is the Lay's. You can see Lay's have little light color, guys, and Parley have a lot dark color. And you can see this is the Parley one, Indian company. Let's see this crispier. Looks crispier only. Lay's is like, if you touch the Lay's, guys, it's very smooth and it's very crispy more than the Parley. Let's taste it first. I'm gonna taste the Lay's one. Okay, this is good. Let's taste Parle one, Indian company, this one. Okay guys, both are very different. I have to accept, I have to give things. Lay's is very good guys. This is very good. The taste is much more better than the Parle one. It is not like cream and onion guys. It's more over like a sweet, like a normal spicy chips like this. But these have the distinct flavor guys. Lay's one. Yes guys, Lay's taste much more better than Parle one, but both look similar. Before buying this, taste before the ones Parle also. Maybe some people may like this Parle also, but I like more over the Lay's. This tastes very good. Okay, this also tastes very good guys, but this is different than this one. Totally different. There is no similarities at all. This is much more sweet, but this is more flavorable. I'm not able to see any onion flavor in the Parle. It's like a taste very different. Parle more distinct taste guys, but I never tasted it, but I like the taste of the Lay's guys. Okay, this is about the review of these two. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video guys.